that real smoke, get your vaping on. Egg rice, turkey bacon on. Ain't in a restaurant, but I'm the bitch they been waiting on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is gonna be a productive day in the life. Spend a half productive day with me because it's already like 1:58. Yeah, I'm about to go get my son from school, and then we're gonna get into some productive things that I have to do on my agenda because I still have to get stuff done. Okay guys, so I literally just got back inside. Okay y'all, so I'm about to let y'all watch me publish this Pinterest.
Got a white boy on my roster, he be feeding me pasta and lobster. He just hit me up on Tuesday like, what you doing, babe? Let me take you shopping. I told him, well, I'm a little busy. He said, damn, I'm in your city.
I'm about to post this one on Pinterest. These are my pins. Like, I have self-improvement, I have all these stuff. I don't really be on Pinterest like that, so I'm trying to get back on my ish because I was getting a lot of views. Okay, so I'm showing y'all what I do when I'm posting on Pinterest. I have the title, description, pretty much the same thing that's in the title, but a little bit more than that. And my set publishing and some tags. And yeah, we're gonna publish that. Oop, where is it at? Yeah. So that's done off my checklist per. So next thing I need to do is I have a video that's already pre-published on YouTube. Let me show y'all. So I was just trying to check it for copyright. So I'm about to, everything is good, so that's good. So I'm about to just put it together with the intro and set that to be published, thumbnail, everything. So watch me work.
Anyway, it's okay, hope you have a good day. I'ma see you by 8:50. Then I told him, you treat me so well. He said, cash out for sale. Matter of fact, scratch that, I'ma see what's that. Just cause.
Okay y'all, so I went through my list like for my editing. So all I have left is like the thumbnail's already done. I just want to do a little bit more touch to it, so we're gonna do that, and the last finished touches to the video. So let me get my iPad. I literally work everywhere now. Like, I don't even work at my desk. Like, I just get it done wherever I'm at. I get it done wherever I'm at, wherever I feel comfortable. As long as I'm ready for the day, I feel motivated, and once I like do my morning routine and stuff like that, I just feel so good. I do my thumbnail on Canva and Fonto, so I'm about to save this. Let me show y'all. And I'm about to tweak it a little bit on Canva. I was just playing with this thumbnail the other day, trying to see. I'm just trying to see what I like, switching up my style and doing different stuff. And of course, I have my vitamin water and pink. I love me a pink. Okay, pair. Yeah, let's add some stuff to this thumbnail and get it more spicy.
You fine as hell. And I told him, well, thank you, baby. Anything for my favorite lady. Well, I gotta go. They just let me know that I could pick up a Mercedes.
For all of my people, we finna go out with the knees. It's looking like a drop. Why is sexy right in my head right now? While I'm doing fine ass bitch, I ain't in the outside. Sexy. Weak. I like the way this thumbnail. All the thumbnails been eaten. And for my other content creators, if you don't have 2 Bundy, download that. It's gonna keep you on point. What you should be doing. Let me show y'all. So I'm about to put this to the back. Cause what I do, I just edit from the previous one that I do and kind of just. That was the previous one I did. Delete, just delete it. I think I want some hearts. I've been doing the star lately, but I think I want some hearts. Let me go. We gotta go element. Let's see. I'm low-key teaching how to do a little bit of thumbnail, okay? Let me pick one and then I'm gonna come right back. Okay, so I just recently did this right there. I like the way that looked, like right there. I think I'm gonna keep this star that I had there from before on my other thumbnail. And then Amir! I'm trying to work. You can, yo, kids is like annoying. What is going on? Okay, so should I keep this black? Yeah, I like it like that, black. This one right here. Let's see in that. Turn it a little bit. Look alright. Let me see what else they got. Bow. Yeah, I just like it like that. For real. Now I'm trying to see if I could get that phone thing. That iPhone notification thing. Let me see if they have. I know they got it. I just have to find it. Right now I'm airdropping screenshot that I'm gonna put on thumbnail, because it just came to me like, wait, hold on, girl, just use your own freaking alarm. So I'm about to add that. Loading. Okay, it's ready. We're gonna crop that. Wish that would be removed right there. I'm gonna have to probably put something over it. Let me double that. Put that like that. And I'm gonna put that right. Ooh, see how I ate that up? Yeah, big Mia shit. One thing about me, thumbnail have to eat the fuck down. Not playing around. Okay, let me see. Where do I want this at? I actually want something like rounded. They actually have the one you can add the image in it. Okay, here we go, y'all. So you're supposed to go to frames. Let me just do it for y'all so y'all can see. You go elements. It will be on all, then you just swipe. You can't see that? Oh, it will be on all, and then you just swipe to frames, and yeah. So let me delete this one. I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller. I'm trying to see where I want to put it at. But I'm gonna change the outline. It's like, should I put pink? That pink is way too bright. Make a nice soft pink. Okay, y'all, figured it out. Trying to see, do I want it over there? Do I want it over here? That face look alright. Not gonna hold you, it looks good. Yeah, I like the way that looks. I'm loving the pink and the white. I like it. So we're gonna press save up here, download, and save it as a PNG. So that's off our checklist. Now I'm about to just finish the final touches to the video, like just looking over it, making sure I'm okay with everything, and we're gonna set that to be published for tomorrow. Okay, y'all. So after every 7 days, it's a new video. I'm still editing. Every single week it's a video, and when I do slip up, so I'm about to let y'all see me because I already started. Almost about to be done. See my grandparents because they're coming in town. I don't have that much homework this weekend, so I'm trying to. Big dog status, Bill Hubble. A ball in his mouth for my brothers. Oh, your bag, tote the cutter. I got it out the field, fuck Russell. Going as L'Oreal about the paddock, then going as Jordan as dead. Philippe water trying to drown a bitch. Just a habit tricking on a bitch. Shit, I'm thinking I could been a pimp. Okay, guys, so everything looks good, so I'm just exporting it right now. I find me editing on my phone so much better than the iPad. For some reason, CapCut be freezing up a lot. Like, I don't know. You know what it is? I think it's my storage on my iPad. My phone has lots of storage, so I find I get my content out quicker like this. Trial and error when you in the content creating game, period. And I've been consistent on TikTok. We're gonna get into that after, y'all. So I posted my Pinterest. Well, I set it up to post for later. Now y'all see me do the thumbnail. So now, yeah, we about to just put this with the pre-intro and get this up on YouTube for tomorrow. Okay, me is being consistent. Yeah. See. So now that I know, like, the music is good on this, I'm gonna just delete it. Meanwhile, yeah, Period. Ooh, Jamaica travel at 400. Ooh, I'm pulling up on you. Put some respect on my name. My thumbnails is probably really eating. That's probably why people clicking on it. When that's done, then get back to y'all.
Heavy whipping cream, because y'all know I use that for my fries and when I make pasta. Focus on the fact that I'm making.
Pause, my girl. So finally it's done. So we're gonna get this up on YouTube now.
Shit, I'm cooking up dope like it's done. Shit, that curve gon' sit nigga trim. Shit, I'm floating, I'm out in the blimp. Shit, it look like I'm swimming in glass. Shit, I turn on my bitch cause she bad. Shit.
Okay, y'all, so I plugged it in. So I'm gonna let y'all see the intro. I mean, if you tuned in, you should have seen it.
I made it for nothing, no turn into something from nothing. Made it through property on that Bernard, and you know the story. Hop on that jet on my property and fly away.
Fly, fly, fly away. Get out the trenches.
My niggas can't wait. Invested in myself.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna get this video up right now. I'm about to save this. Save it on 1080. Okay, y'all see that? We're gonna save that on 1080. So we're gonna let that load now. So I'm gonna get back to watching YouTube meanwhile. Then I'm gonna delete all that footage and I have to transfer some files. So let me go on my camera case. I had this bag so long. Like all of this equipment came with the camera. I don't know where I bought this from again. Was it Best Buy? No, it wasn't Best Buy. I can't remember, but oh, Walmart. I got my camera off of, and my stuff is still going good, y'all. Still going good. Okay, all you gotta do is read the reviews. Oh, it's not in here. It's in right here. That's all you need to be doing, is reading the reviews. So this is what I use to transfer my stuff on there. Don't wash my nails. Couldn't have my nails done because of my aesthetic exams. So, and I needed that break. I still need that break, but I'm gonna get it done by like next week. So now it's ready to share. So let's get it up on YouTube. Let's get it on there, poppin'. We're gonna add that right. Wait, hold on. What is going on here? I don't even see it. Hold up, y'all. Okay, y'all. So I finally found out what went wrong. So now we are posting.
I made it for nothing. No turn into something from nothing.
Okay.
Made it through property on that Bernard, and you know the story. Hop on that jet on my property and
Fly away.
Fly, fly, fly away. Invested in myself.
Period. That mean I'm black on. I want my shit, get your bacon on. Egg whites, take your bacon on. Okay, good. So all the sounds is on. We are in motion. Let's put that thumbnail we made. Let's see how that thumbnail looking. How that's looking. Okay, yeah, nah. I really did my big one. Let me just do this. So this is gonna go in routines. Put your stuff in playlists. That's a tip that I learned from a content creator. Put my location, because I find that when I put my location and do all these things, the video is pushing more, along with of course being consistent. I'm gonna just put 5 a.m. productive routine. I don't know what I'm gonna put yet, but right now I know I definitely wanna put. And then you just do unlisted. You wanna make sure you have everything right before you upload. You don't wanna just straight upload, because I'm gonna put some tags in and stuff like that. But yeah, we're gonna let that do its thing, and I'll be back.
Not making an ex nigga mad. Shit, they go for that bap up a smash. Real nigga alert up, carrying a bag. Piping a bitch and then I got cash. Turn up the shooters, the switches go bad. Stay with some scammers, but don't move the pain. Trapping no rapping, my dog, you fall off. No capping, no.
Finally got the video up and decided on the title. So let me show y'all. I missed my what you call it? my publishing time. I usually post at 1. And I thought tomorrow would have made 7 days for my video, but it's actually today since I last posted last week. So I'm gonna just drop it for 7 o'clock as a premiere. I noticed that's helping push my videos too, so yeah. Period. I'm gonna get on to the next thing, which is my TikTok. Phone is acting up though, so let's see. Since I posted a YouTube video for today, I'm just gonna freaking promote it on TikTok today. That'll make my job easier. And I was supposed to film for TikTok today. Now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna film because I use my phone for everything, so it's like I couldn't film the productive day in the life because I use my phone. Okay, let's go to promote. Yeah, right there. So what I do is replace this with the new thumbnail. See, I'm putting y'all on right now. I put that up there like that. I want to replace this video. They cut me off a little bit. So everything looks good. So we're just gonna put that in 2K, right? Because it's only on TikTok, so you gotta save it in 2K. And let that do its thing. Why my hair like dry? Like what? Okay, now we're gonna share on TikTok.
Found him a brick, work on your bitch and I told her to call off. Actually, I'm making her quit. Painkiller, got my little demons on go.
Let me show y'all. Okay. That's it right there. And now it just usually just picks a sound. Sometimes I'll use it, sometimes I don't. This looks relaxing too. I like that. I like the sound of this. Okay, so let me pick some music, y'all, and yeah, I'll be back. So this is how your settings should look when you're doing the TikTok. And I'm gonna just save the draft. Click it. I actually went with their recommendations. I looked it up, and it's popular and trending, and it goes perfect with the video too. Next, let me just see what cover I want to do. Save that. Let's see how that looks. Let's go here. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, so that's what we're doing. But we're not gonna post it yet. Guys, I am finally done. We had a productive half day. I did everything. I was just reaching out to some brands. Oh, and it's about to die. Let me show you the TikTok real quick. I'm about to eat something. Up now. I just posted it literally 2 minutes ago. Okay, so alright y'all, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I know it's been a half day with me. I started at like 1:30 and it's 7 o'clock now, so yeah, let me go get something to eat and start my night routine later, y'all. Mwah.